So I feel soccer or football fever is at an all-time high right now with the World Cup going on, with me just being really unproductive, and what XGIMI has just sent over. So check this out. This is their new Elfin Flip 4K projector. This is their new flagship portable projector. But to the actual projector, where I've been wasting like so much time both playing games as well as like watching, sometimes there's like 4 games a day, just taking this around like within my studio, kind of wherever I am, just because it is super portable. But the thing around this projector, so you can kind of see like the actual weight. So the 4K projector is 1.55 kilos. You can literally just pick this up, place it wherever you want to go. And because of the form factor and because you can just kind of flip it open, you can literally just start watching content as long as you have an empty screen, an empty space, an empty wall. You can get an image size on this up to 200 inches. And typically with portable projectors, you kind of sacrifice the image quality because they tend to have digital zoom lenses. This one is one of the first to feature an optical zoom lens from 0.98 to 1.3. It's a 4K laser projector, and I'll quickly go through the specs before I kind of show off how I've been using it here at home and show off its portability. So it's an RGB triple laser. It gets up to 1600 ISO lumens of brightness. Once again, for the size, for the form factor, one of the brightest in its class. It's got a 20,000 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio. It has HDR10, HLG, and supports MEMC motion smoothing. So if you are watching higher paced content, for example, like sports, this is really what this is great for, to help with that image clarity. It's got an RGB triple laser system, which gives it 110% of the BT 2020 color space. But the biggest thing has to be around portable projectors is how quickly can you bring this from like point A to point B. Once you set it down, obviously it has to be plugged in. How many seconds it takes to automatically work, and this has one of the best auto keystone and auto focus features on the market. So literally within like 10 seconds of moving it, you've got an image clear setup on your wall, and you can literally just start watching content. So I've watched it, kind of here in the studio. You can probably tell it is so bright in here, still able to see the image. I brought it downstairs to my basement, creating my own personal little cinema room where it's a bit darker, really where I can enjoy it more, and even somewhere like my bedroom, to the dismay of Kat, my wife, who hates all the soccer I've been watching, but it's only once every 4 years, the World Cup going on. That's what I like to justify it as. The setup and ease of use of this, I would say, is the biggest selling point. But if you kind of want to look around the design, like I said, it's got that flip sort of design. So when completely shut, it's thin, portable. You could theoretically even put this into a backpack. You can bring it around. Say you're going up to the cottage, you want to bring this to a park. You can watch it in your backyard if you're having like a viewing party or a watch party with friends. You've got a 1/4-inch connector mounting point if you want to hook it up to a tripod, and on the back you can see all the ports on it. So we've got the power button, power in, 2 USB-A ports, 2 HDMI 2.1, as well as a headphone jack. You can see the rest of the air cooling vents on the back, and on the front, this is where it has a built-in Harman and Kardon speaker. You can see that grill all through here. So it's 7 watts. You've got Dolby Digital Plus as well as Dolby Audio. And I'll say it again, for the size, it is pretty good for the form factor. You don't need any additional speakers. It fills the room space, pretty well. Even when you have it outside, say I've watched it like on my balcony, it is totally fine to use on its own, which I really like. It's just a one little compact unit that is simply like a plug and play. But the thing around this, probably why they partnered with EAFC. This thing is surprisingly good for gaming as well. So it can get up to 120 Hertz at 1080p, not at 4K. But this also surprisingly has a 1 mil response time, very similar to a lot of gaming monitors. It also has a variable refresh rate and a auto low latency mode, which automatically switches or turns on when you've got it connected to a console. You don't need to manually toggle it. And I've actually got it connected to my Xbox Series S, which I feel like this is the perfect little pairing. Like, both are small, both are compact. Like, when fully packed up, both of them are kind of similar in terms of thickness. You could easily carry this in a bag. And like I said, if you want to have a gaming party at your friend's place, if you want to take this setup away from your living room and just game somewhere else, you can easily do that. And they are both, once again, super portable. And one extra little bonus, if you happen to be, say, like an FPS player, there's a black equalizer. I know people love to camp out in the shadows, so you're still able to see all of that detail. Plus there's also a virtual crosshair if you need to use it. The remote that it comes with, simple, easy to use. It's actually backlit, which I really like. It also runs off of Google TV OS, so it has literally every single streaming app, every app that you can think of. If you can think of like a show, you can definitely find it on this. It's intuitive, it's quick and snappy. There is never any lag going through the interface. And I guess lastly, the most important thing, so price. Typically when you see specs on a projector like this, you're looking at around like that $1,500 mark. So this comes in just under $1,000, so $999. You can actually snag it at 10% off as a discount right now. So all the links will be listed down below for you to check out. Let me know what team you guys are supporting like this summer. If you guys are watching the World Cup, if you're more of like a console player, you like to play EAFC, or if you guys do happen to play like I am personally most stoked to test these boots out on the pitch. Hope you guys are enjoying the summer, hopefully not wasting too much time watching soccer, football content. If the Dutch win, I will give anyone watching this video lots of money. That's the team that I am cheering for, and I'll catch the rest of you in one of my next vids. Peace.